Hello from Freedomtax Accounting. We're an accounting firm where we have been providing quality tax and accounting services now for over 20 years. Now remember, if you want to close your LLC, you don't only have to close it in the state of Florida, you also have to close your LLC at the federal level with the IRS. So your LLC is going to either have to file a final tax return with the IRS, or your LLC has to cancel its EIN number account with the IRS so you can close your LLC at the federal level. But in this video, we're going to show you exactly step by step how to file Articles of Dissolution so you can close your LLC in the state of Florida. Let's go. So the first step is that you need to go to your browser and you go to the following website. You go to sunbiz.org. You go to sunbiz.org, all right? And now you need to go here where it says Manage Existing Business. You scroll down to where it says File LLC Dissolution. You scroll down to this blue button that says File Articles of Dissolution for LLC. You click there. And now you need to find your LLC's document number. Now, the easiest way to do that is basically open up another tab and go again to sunbiz.org. But now click here where it says Search Records. Scroll down to where it says Name. Click there. And here you're going to put your LLC's name. So basically, go find your LLC name. Search now. You should find your LLC on the top of the list. If not, check out if your LLC is on this list. Click, and here where it says Document Number. So basically, this is the number we need to copy from your LLC. So basically, copy this document number and paste it here. And click Start Dissolution Filing. This takes you to this page, okay? So it's very easy. You do need to pay a $25 fee to file Articles of Dissolution. Okay, so the first step is you go here and you put your email address. Okay, so you put your email address, you re-enter your email address, and here effective date that you want to close the business. Now, if you leave this in blank, it's going to close the LLC on the same day you file these Articles of Dissolution, okay? So let's say that today is July 11th. So if I put here July 11th, then the state is gonna close the LLC effective July 11th. Now you can close it effective a prior date, but it cannot be 90 days before the day that you're filing these Articles of Dissolution. But for most people, basically you just leave this in blank, all right? Now, it says description of the occurrence that resulted in the LLC dissolution. Basically, you can write here, closing business. That's it. You really don't have to give them any details on why you're closing the LLC. And here you're gonna put your name, okay? You're going to put your address. Okay. Put the address, put your address, and just basically put your name again. Okay. And you hit continue. So basically you fill all this out and you hit continue. Okay. Now this gives you basically a warning from the website. Click OK. Here you basically review that you are closing your company, that you have, this is your email and this is your information and your mailing address, and you click continue here at the bottom. Okay. Basically now you click, it's gonna tell you that you need to pay the $25 fee for filing. You click credit card payment. Okay. Basically now all you have to do is fill out your credit card information. Click next. It's going to give you a recommended address. Why not? Here, you're going to put your credit card number. Just a standard credit card processing. Click next. It's going to review here the information. Submit payment. And there it is. You already paid. Basically, you click continue. And it's done. Okay, so now it's going to give you a confirmation number, which is this number right here. Okay, now keep that for just in case in a couple of days you don't receive your certification. Okay, so what's going to happen once you finish this process is that like in around 2 to 3 days, you're going to get an email from the state of Florida with your LLC dissolution certification. And that is it. That's all you need to do to close your LLC in the state of Florida. Thank you for watching this video. Remember that here at Freedomtax Accounting, we can help you do taxes, your bookkeeping, your payroll, tax planning, opening up new LLCs. We can help you in many, many ways. For more information, go to our website, freedomtaxfl.com. Thank you for watching, and God bless you. Bye-bye.